Have you ever noticed Kapi Raga Alapana in concert? Mabani Bagarini.
சார் இது இன்னும் கேட்கணும் போலயே இருக்கு, ஆனால் ஒன்றும் புரியலையே.
It is very simple. For this, let us have one discussion in a concert.
சார் கான்சர்ட்ல டிஸ்கஷன்.
Yes. It is not going to be a full discussion or full concert. It is mix of both. Let us have it and enjoy it on 24th November 2024, evening 6 p.m. at Ponni Kala Kendra, Kallanar Road, Ponni Delta, with the eminent accompanying artist Sri N.C. Madhav on violin, Salem Sri K. Srinivasan on Mardangam, and Alattur Sri T. Rajaganesh on Ganjira. All are welcome.